This is our first walk with our new puppies.
Oh, George.
Georgie Porgy already got out of his collar.
I thought that would have been Lorraine first. She's the one who's fighting you.
You guys ready to go for a walk with the puppies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, man.
What about you, Rowan?
Come on, Lorraine. Come on, okay, go. Just start walking and see how they do.
Okay.
Hi.
George could probably even pull you guys one of these days.
Not much.
Oh, she does not want to come.
There you go. That's good, Dale. You're free.
Come on, George.
There you go. Come on. There you go. Okay.
Who knew you were so good with dogs, baby?
Get our dogs off because of our dogs. This is not my dog. Sorry.
Easy loves you. We have made approximately 100 feet in 5 minutes. Is it 10 minutes? Here they come, guys. They're just so curious. Curious George. Oh man, so they were just running for a little bit. We made some serious progress. Good job, Lorraine. There you go. There you go. Oh, they're pulling you now, honey. Good job, you guys.